Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware so nothing limits quality. Confirm an HDMI 2, 1 cable, and that your display supports 4K/120Hz. Once done, plug the Xbox Series X directly into the TV port labeled for highest bandwidth. Make sure receivers or switchers aren't downgrading the signal. Then open Settings, General TV and Display Options, and set resolution to 4K. Refresh rate to 120Hz when available, and enable Auto HDR so games get the best dynamic range automatically. Next, optimize both system features and in-game settings so visuals and responsiveness align. Enable VRR and ALM in the TV and Xbox settings to reduce tearing and latency. These work together for smoother frames. For each game, decide between performance, higher FPS, versus quality, native 4K. Choose performance for competitive play and quality for cinematic titles. Also update the console and games, and periodically restart the system to clear caches so textures and frame pacing load correctly. To finish, calibrate your display and validate the signal so what you set is actually delivered. Use your TV's picture controls to tweak brightness, contrast, and color space. Select BT, 2020 or Rec. 709 per content, and run the Xbox video fidelity tests to confirm HDR and resolution. Test with a verified 4K/120 game or demo. If issues persist, swap HDMI ports or cable, disable AV pass-through devices, and restart. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.